Hi kids. Kids, we will trace numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's learn colors name: pink, red, green, orange, brown, black, blue. Kids, we are tracing number 1. This is number 2, 2. Kids, this is number 3. Now we are tracing number 4. This is number 5. Kids, we are tracing number 6. This is number 7. Now we are tracing number 8. Kids, this is number 9. Now we are tracing number 10. Kids, this is number 1. 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. This is number 1. 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. This is number 1. 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20.